My social media feed has turned into a constant stream of people wrapping their midsections in beige fabric and thick oil. It looks like a strange wellness ritual. This is the world of castor oil packs. Specifically, we are looking at the Tavio bundle. It is the latest trend taking over every corner of the internet. For the longest time, using castor oil was a total nightmare. You had to soak a piece of flannel by hand. It was messy. It was sticky. It ruined your bed sheets and your favorite pajamas. It was definitely not a vibe. Tavio actually thought about the design. They used an inner layer of unbleached organic cotton. They paired it with cold-pressed oil that carries a USDA organic seal. Those are not just buzzwords. They are signs of a quality product. The real game changer is the wrap itself. It has an anti-leak outer layer. It features adjustable straps. This means you can actually wear it overnight without waking up in a puddle of grease. That is a massive practical upgrade. I wanted to see if the science actually backed up the hype. There is a compound called ricinoleic acid in the oil. It has real anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Even the FDA recognizes castor oil as a legitimate natural laxative. Some research suggests it can even support your immune system and liver enzyme levels. This is where the facts are solid. However, things get a little blurry when we talk about deep detoxing. You will see people claiming these packs can break up cysts or dissolve fibroids. Experts from famous cancer research centers are very clear on this. Your liver is a powerhouse. It detoxifies your body all on its own. A topical compress on your skin is not going to fundamentally change how your internal organs process toxins. We also have to consider that this specific brand only hit the market in late 2025. That is a very short track record. We are still waiting for long-term independent reviews to pile up. But if we look past the marketing, there is a reason this practice has survived for over a century. It is about the ritual. Lying still with warmth on your abdomen is a powerful stress reducer. That relaxation response is a physical reality. It helps with mild bloating. It helps with digestion. It gives you a reason to slow down and breathe. If you want a clean and easy way to try this for constipation or nightly relaxation, this setup is genuinely solid. The materials are high quality. The price is fair. Just keep your expectations grounded. It is a tool for comfort and better sleep. It is not a miracle cure for every internal ailment. Use it for the ritual and the warmth. That is where you will find the real value. I am glad I looked into this because the design really does solve the mess problem. Just remember that wellness is often about the habits we build around these tools. The heat and the stillness might be doing more for your nervous system than the oil is doing for your liver. It is a solid addition to a wind-down routine. Just do not expect it to replace your doctor. Now you have the full picture on the latest trend. It is practical. It is high quality. But it is not magic.